Figure recently released a new video showing its robot working autonomously in a warehouse, picking up and moving boxes with ease. This is a preview of what the robot will be doing at BMW, where Figure has signed a partnership to deploy its humanoids in the automaker's facility in the US. 01 is not just a simple automation machine. It is a smart and adaptable robot that can learn new tasks through teleoperation and simulated learning. It can also figure out the success and failure states of a given task and adjust its actions accordingly. It can even make real-time corrections if things go wrong. 01 is designed to go beyond single-function robots and lend support across manufacturing, logistics, warehousing, and retail. Figure believes that its humanoids can create a higher quality of life for humans by taking over dangerous, tedious, or repetitive tasks and freeing up humans to focus on more creative and meaningful work. But Figure is not just building robots. It is also building a new blockchain platform called Provenance, which is a faster, cheaper, and more transparent way of handling financial transactions and data. Provenance is already being used by Figure for its digital asset marketplaces, such as home lending, capital table management, fund management and administration, banking, and payments. Figure's vision and technology have attracted a lot of attention and investment from some of the biggest names in tech. According to a report by Bloomberg, Figure has raised a whopping $675 million in a Series D funding round, valuing the company at $2 billion. The round was co-led by 10T Holdings and Morgan Creek Digital and joined by new and existing investors such as DCM, Digital Currency Group, HCM Capital, Ribbit Capital, RPM Ventures, the partners at DST Global, and others. Some of the early investors in Figure include OpenAI and Microsoft, which are also leading the development of artificial intelligence and cloud computing. Other notable investors include Jeff Bezos, Amazon, Nvidia, and a host of venture capital firms. Figure is clearly one of the most promising and ambitious startups in the robotics and AI space. It is not only creating a new generation of humanoid robots, but also a new set of financial rails that could revolutionize the financial services industry. Figure is on a mission to leverage blockchain to reinvent the world. But what does this mean for the future of work and society? Will Figure's humanoids create more opportunities and benefits for humans, or will they replace and marginalize them? Click here to watch my latest video on Walker S, a humanoid robot from UpTech that has been hired by NIO, an EV manufacturing company from China, to help the company in its production line in Hefei, China.